Welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, you'll find out how you can easily transcribe meetings with the Pixel Recorder. If you recorded meetings on your Pixel Recorder or just any other recording that you want to transcribe and export to Google Docs, this is how you can do it easily by just using your Pixel phone. First of all, go onto your phone and go into the recording app. Here you see all of the recordings that you've done. Just search up and click on the recording that you want to transcribe. Let's just say I choose this one, the Thursday biology lecture. Now right above the play option, you'll see two options, the audio option and the transcript option. From here, you can change whatever option you want to use while listening the whole audio. You can keep it on audio, or in order to transcribe it, click on the transcribe option. It will take a few seconds, and as you can see, it has transcribed the whole audio for you. You can copy and paste it from here wherever you want to do. You can copy it from here and paste it to Google Docs. If you want to search any word from here, you can just click on the search option and go ahead and do so. Now, in order to do the easy way of exporting it all to Google Docs, you'll need to click on the three dots option from the top right corner. And from all the options, click on Export to Docs. Once you click on that, it will export the whole transcribed audio to Google Docs and give you a file for it that you can use wherever you want. That is how you can transcribe any audio from your Pixel Recorder and export it to Google Docs. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful and want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe and like this video.